Hi, this is Gangaiah from Maths Magic Academy. In the last class, we discussed regarding a calendar, how to find the day of the given date. Now we have to find which is a leap year, which is a non-leap year. Generally, you know that the year which is divided by 4 is a leap year, but it is going to be changed by every 100 year. Every 100 year it is going to be changed. Suppose 96 year, one of the baby was born on 96 year, February 29, then their birthday, next birthday will be falls on 104th year, but not 100th year. Why? Because 100 is not a leap year. Even though 100 is divided by 4, but 100 is not a leap year. According to our Gregorian calendar, every century there will be one of the skip leap year will be there. So what is that and all we are going to discuss in this video. So let us watch the video, and before going to watch the video, please subscribe my channel if not yet subscribed, and click on bell icon so that you are the first member to watch my video. Okay, see here, century year, non-century year. Based on this we can divide the leap year, non-leap year. In century year also leap year will be there, non-leap year will be there. And here according to non-century year there will be leap year and non-leap years will be there. Based on that, how those will be happen, we have to discuss. Now century years. What are the century years? Generally 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and so on. These all are century years. And here when it comes to that non-century years, non-century years will be which are not ending with double zeros. That means the tens place and units place should not be a zero. Like 1999, 1999 or 199 or 2028. So likewise, these all are the digits in the units place and tens place which are not end with 00 are called non-century years. The digits which are ends with 2 zeros, that is units place and tens place is 00, then we can say those all are century years. Even the 2000 is also a century year. Like that here 2020 is also a non-century year. According to century year and non-century year, we have to go for division of leap year and non-leap year. Every 100 years, we are going to skip one leap year. Which leap year we are going to skip? That we have to discuss. Here the century years which are not divisible by 400 or which are not a multiple of 400. Century years which are not a multiple of 400 are called non-leap years. Century years which are not a multiple of 400, which are not a multiple of 400 are called non-leap years. So here 100 is a non-leap year, 200 is not a leap year, that is a non-leap year, and 300 is also a non-leap year, and 500 is also a non-leap year. So the years, the complete years, that is century years, the century years which are not a multiple of 400 all are considered non-leap years. and those which are a multiple of 400, that is a 400, 800 and 1200, 1600, 2000 and 2400 and so on. These all are leap years. So in a century year only, we can take some of the leap years and some of non-leap years. This is due to horizon of, we are adding every 4 years we are adding a day. That is, one day we are adding every 4 years. But as per Gregorian calendar, this leads to be adding some more extra hours it is calculated. So that every 100 years there will be one skip leap year will be there. And it is also compensated by after 400 years one leap year should be added. So like that here leap years will be 400 multiples. Whatever the 400 multiples are there, those all are leap years, and which are not a multiple of 400 all are non-leap years. And coming to that non-century years, these all are non-century years which are not a multiple of 100. So multiple of 100 are considered century years. Not a multiple of 100 are all considered non-century years. In these non-century years, if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then those years are leap years, and which are not divisible by 4, those all are non-leap years. Suppose if we take 1996, it is what? 1996 non-century year. It is a non-century year. But here 96 is divisible by 4. So it is a leap year. It is a leap year. And 2000, already we wrote 2000. So 2012 if you can take. 2012. Here 12 is divisible by 4. So that we can say 2012 is a leap year. And 1916. So here the 16 last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So that we can say it is also a leap year. And coming to this non-leap years, 1949. The last 2 digits are not divisible by 4. So that we can say this is not a leap year. It is a non-leap year. And 2002. It is also a non-leap year. So like that we can calculate the leap years and non-leap years. So based on this we will discuss some problems now. Let us see the first question. Which of the following century year is a non-leap year? Just now I told that century year in that non-leap year. So century year in that non-leap year. Non-leap year in the sense it is not a multiple of 400. See here 2000 is a 400 multiple or not? 400 into 5. 400 into 5 you can take, you will get 2000. And 2200. 2200 is not a 400 multiple. And 2400. 406. 2400. And 404 so 1600. So this is a leap year. This is also a leap year. This is also leap year. Whereas the option B 2200 is not a leap year. In the century years 2200 is not a leap year. So our answer is 2200. Option B. And now coming to that, what is the next birth year of a child who was born on February 29, 2096? So one of the baby was born on 2096. Every 4 years after, one leap year will come. So the baby was born on February 29, 2096. If you add 4 years, what you will get? So 10, here also 10, 2100. 2100. But 2100 is a leap year or non-leap year? So it is a non-leap year. Why? Because it is not a 400 multiple. Every century year, if it is a multiple of 400, then only we can consider that is a leap year. Otherwise, it is a skip leap year. 2100 is a skip leap year. So 2100 is not a answer. And what is the next leap year? Again, if you add 4. So what will come? 2104. That is 2104. That is what option D is the correct birthday. That means the child who was born on February 29, 2096 will celebrate the second birthday after 8 years. It is not after 4 years. Next, coming to the third question, which of the following is odd one out? See, 100, 200, 300, 400 is there. All are hundreds only, 100 multiples only. But we have to find odd one out. Why? Because here see, it is 100 is non-leap year, 300 is non-leap year, 200 is also non-leap year, 400 is a leap year. So that is a odd one out. Next, question number 4. Which of the following is a non-leap year? See here options: 2000, 2020, 2300, 2828. See, you can observe that if it is a century year, you have to think that whether it is a 400 multiple or not. Here 2000 is a 400 multiple. So this is a leap year. And here century year 2300 is there. 2300 is not a multiple of 400. So it is a non-leap year. Whether it is a 2020, this 20 is divided by 4. So that it is a leap year. And 28 is that. So here 28 is divisible by 4. So that it is also a leap year. So only the answer is 2300. So answer is option C. Here are two of the questions I am assigning to you. You have to see my previous video so that you can calculate what is the day of 26th January 2025. Whether it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You have to calculate for this answer. And which of the following is a leap year? Here 1980, 1900, 2100 and 1924. Which of the following year is a leap year? So you have to give these two questions answers in comment box. Okay? And keep on watching Maths Magic Academy. Thank you.